Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Price movement all over the place on the gap down, and then this was all occurring on well above average volume. So point being, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one, I'm assuming, headed into Friday. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. And I do want to point out that these levels that I'm talking about, I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special ability or that this is some sort of great discovery on my part. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts are going to be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have with these areas here. So the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching from the support side of things is down here at that $12.20 mark. Now, nothing is guaranteed, but my core point here is this. It is more than plausible. It's a more than valid premise to have that if the price were to come down there and break on down through $12.20, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than rational thought to have. So definitely you're going to want to keep a close eye on that area right there. And then on the flip side, as far as breakout players, you're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching this area right up here at $12.75. Again, same logic. Nothing is guaranteed, but it's more than rational to think that, if the price works its way back up to $12.75 and can get a break up through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. And if that occurs, I'm not going to say that it's going to go up there and close the gap, but it at least becomes a valid talking point and something that makes more sense to be talking about. Whereas as things stand right now, talking about closing the gap, I don't know if that's really a conversation that needs to be had right now, given where the price is currently at. But, that can all change based on how the price behaves relative to these couple areas moving forward. So let's see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.